Hello, I have a XGMI Z4 air projector which doesn't have dedicated mounting thread, and I decided to integrate it under the projector myself. On Amazon, I have bought a $5 wall mounting kit including two different size thread bolts. At the end of this video, I will show you the exact measurements of the wall mounting kit parts. Be careful when opening the back cover of your projector not to damage attached wires. So, I open projector from bottom to check the hollow space where the part of the thread could fit. When you find the hollow space under the back cover, take the measurements and copy the measures on the back cover and make the mark where you want to drill a hole. Please be careful when drilling the back cover not to get any residue inside the projector, since the projector lenses are very sensitive to dust. Before installing the mounting arm on the wall or under the ceiling, make sure that projector will be facing the center of the screen as much as possible so that you would not need later to adjust the keystone digitally. As you can see, I had to put some support under the projector since the plastic back cover was not rigid enough